Here comes the train. Here comes the train, Kayla. There it comes. There comes the train. How exciting. And look at you standing up. You gonna stand up again? Let's go view the train. Coming around. The DNK bend number 2. And into the tunnel it goes.
Okay.
Let's try one more recording. What do you think, Kayla? One more? Let's try something really cool. See how this works. Here comes the train. Here comes the train. I wonder if it's recording it. Here it comes. Alright, terrific recording, I hope. Let's see, it shows to still be recording, doesn't it? It's so funny. Let's see if the kitty, there's our cat, Rabbit. We have to now call the kitty Kitty so we don't confuse Kayla calling him Rabbit all the time. Rabbit.